Hi everyone! Today, we're diving into an exciting project. We'll explore how to build a motion detection camera. We'll use a Raspberry Pi and Python. Specifically, we'll focus on the Picamera2 library. A key part of this is understanding frame rate. This affects how well your camera detects movement. A motion detection camera is super useful. You can use it for home security. You can monitor pets. It works by looking for changes between video frames. If pixels change significantly, motion is detected. Our Raspberry Pi is perfect for this task. The Picamera2 library is the latest way to control the camera module. It's powerful and flexible. We'll write Python code to make this happen. First, we need to set up our Raspberry Pi camera. We'll import Picamera2. We also need NumPy for image arrays. And OpenCV CV2 is essential for image processing. Our Python script will continuously capture frames. We'll store the previous frame. Then, we'll capture a new frame. We convert both frames to grayscale. This simplifies the comparison process. Next, we calculate the absolute difference between these two grayscale frames. This shows us exactly where changes occurred. We then apply a threshold. This filters out tiny, insignificant changes. If enough pixels change above our set threshold, we declare motion has been detected. Now, let's talk about frame rate. This is critical for motion detection camera performance. Frame rate is measured in frames per second, FPS. A higher FPS means the camera captures more images each second. This makes our detection system more responsive. It catches faster movements. Imagine a quick shadow or a fast-moving pet. A higher FPS is generally better for security applications. However, a high FPS uses more CPU power on your Raspberry Pi. It also generates much more data. This means larger video files. It can also drain battery faster if you're using a portable setup. On the other hand, a lower FPS uses less processing power. It creates smaller files. This is good for long-term monitoring where you don't need to catch every tiny detail. But a low FPS might miss quick events entirely. The movement could happen completely between two captured frames. So, finding the right balance is very important. For our Picamera2 Python script, we can set the frame rate easily. When you initialize your Picamera2 object, you can specify the frame rate parameter. For example, you might start by trying 10 FPS. Then, test it in your environment. If you need more sensitivity, increase it to 20 or even 30 FPS. If you want to conserve resources, try 5 FPS. Experimentation is key to success. You'll find the optimal frame rate for your specific use case. This depends on what you are trying to detect and your Raspberry Pi's available resources. Remember, the goal is reliable motion detection without overwhelming your system. That covers the essentials of Raspberry Pi Python Picamera2 motion detection. We learned about the library and how camera frame rate impacts overall performance. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more Raspberry Pi and Python projects. Your support helps us create more content like this for you.